Host, chalo, go ahead.
Welcome to everyone to Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So today we are here to have a demo class on interview skills and communication skills. So Heist is giving a training program for 3 months on all different type of domains like data science, interview skills, testing, automation, digital marketing, etc. So today we are here for the particular domain of interview skills and communication skills. I request Mr. Subramaniam sir to take up this session and go ahead with your demo class, sir.
Got it. Thank you very much, Yogeshwari. And hello, everyone. Very good afternoon. I am Surya Subramaniam. So I am actually an interview skills trainer with Heist Placements since December 2015. And this is like somewhere around 15 or 20th demo that I am actually giving in last, just one and a half year. And, we have taken up many batches since the lockdown. And thank you very much, Manish, for giving me an opportunity again to speak about, the course, the details and everything. And I appreciate everyone's patience and thank you very much for being here on time. And, just to give an introduction about the course, the details, we are here. Okay. And I hope I could actually give you a brief about what is the course and how is it useful and why is it mandatory to learn interview skills and have good communication skills. Let me start off with my regular format of telling about what is most important for an interview. There are many important things, but first most important thing is to prepare yourself mentally, okay, about how to face an interview, about what questions will they ask in an interview, and what is the procedure that generally a company follows, how many rounds. Okay, this is the basic things that we do. Before that, first we will speak about communication for next 15 minutes, and last 15 minutes let me cover about interview skills. Okay. Now, what do we have to do really to communicate well? Okay, only one good answer everyone says: prepare, talk in English, communicate with anyone. Okay, keep communicating to the other persons, other people only in English till the time you're perfect with the language. Like, hope everyone's mother tongue here, I mean, most of the people's mother tongue might be somewhere from Telugu or Hindi. Okay, so we are perfect with our language because we speak that daily, on a daily basis to our parents or our friends or colleagues. Okay, whatever. So why do we get that hold on that language? Because it's been many years that we are speaking. And how do you manage to actually speak in English? Speaking in English is something different. Speaking in English without MTI, which is called mother tongue influence. Okay, I'll also give you examples about that. Without mother tongue influence is actually the most needed in the corporate life now. That we pronounce, but it is garage. According to English, this is called neutral accent. Okay, now accent is something different. Now, first, how do we start off with learning English? I mean, I see many people facing difficulties because they have everything on mind, but they don't know how to speak, how to put it, okay, how to perform. Okay, but you get this when you keep practicing. First best thing that you have at your doorstep or, just a click away on your mobile. Okay, a click away on your mobile is reading newspaper, whether it is e-newspaper or the physical newspaper that you get at your place. That's most important thing. Okay. Second, please communicate with people only in English for till the time at least you get your first job. Later, you will get the boost up, and from the next job, it is easy for you, because if you go to a corporate office daily, you be there for about 10 hours at least. You tend to speak in English, and you come back home and you speak in your mother tongue. So you can balance both of them. Okay, this is the second best part. Third, about using tenses. You're using a present tense, please speak in a present tense. Okay, complete conversation must happen in present tense. Okay, I see people making a lot of mistakes only in tenses. What is actually present, what is past, what is future. Okay, we have basic problem with this. Okay, some people, like, they speak about the current situation, which is actually live happening in front of their eyes. Okay, in past tense. Okay, here tenses mismatch, okay, will actually make you get into problems. Okay, that's the basic thing. And next, what you will do is, this is actually a tip, if any student can try. Okay, any student can try. If someone is having problem with, suppose let's take laptop, they have some technical problem there. Suppose that laptop is some company, like, let me take an example of Hewlett Packard, that's HP. Okay, please, you take the opportunity to call to the customer care and speak to them in English. This is the best way, guys. I mean, like, I have done like that. And let me tell you what happened with my life. I was one person who struggled a lot to get my first job. Okay, because I don't have good communication skills. Sorry, I didn't have good communication skills. I didn't know what is the process about to clear an interview. Okay, I failed in 98 interviews. Okay, and cleared 99th interview to get my first job. You know how tough it is? Interview is not a joke, because I lack communication skills. I have everything in front of me. In 2011, yes, I don't have an Android mobile. That's okay. That's the different case. But I had newspaper, Deccan Chronicle in front of me, right? And I have English books, 10th class, or, where I studied in intermediate. They were also there. I mean, like, I never read. Okay, that's my problem. I accept. So that's the reason it took me such long days. It was 3.5 months struggle, 98 flop interviews. 99th interview, I got my job. Now, destiny led me here now. Okay, you know what is destiny? I believed it when I became an interview skills trainer, and the first chance was given by, Mr. Manish, the CEO of Heist Placements. Okay, now communication. Why is it most important? I told you till now. Okay, tenses. Yes, English is there is a lot to learn in English. Okay, few people, okay, can speak good, cannot draft, cannot write a letter, or cannot write a story, or kind of. But I have seen few people who cannot speak good, but they draft it very good. But now corporate companies need people with both the qualities in one person, because to cut down the employment. Now for speaking, if they hire someone, and for writing someone, there are 2 employees. Instead, they will hire one good qualified person and give them a job. That is why many of the people are losing the opportunities. Okay, to grab this opportunity, guys, please, I would kindly request, please start reading newspapers. Please start reading newspapers. Okay, communicate. And I told you a tip, right? I mean, this is very, very working. Okay, call the Vodafone customer service, though you don't have doubts. Please do this once in a day at least. Call Vodafone customer care. Idea, Vodafone and Idea is same now. Okay, anyways, call the good customer service and speak to them only in English, and check yourself where you stand. Are you able to actually tell them the problem? Yes, you're a hit. You're a hit. That's the best thing that you could do for yourself. Okay, communication is the best teacher. Okay, now let us speak about, because I'm given half an hour time to take this demo session, and I don't want to take much time. I'm actually briefly cutting short the topic, and and next, most of the times we don't have the right mind process. I mean, like, the right thought process. Okay, what is this thought process now? I'll tell you a small story. I mean, is here everyone from a Telugu background? This joke actually is good if I say in Telugu. Everyone can understand Telugu?
Yes.
Just blink your mics.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope everyone understands Telugu. Yeah. So what happens is, ఒక న్యూస్ పేపర్, ఓకే, ఒక న్యూస్ పేపర్లో ఒక అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ వచ్చింది. ఏమని, ఇట్లా పలానా మలేషియాలో దెర్ ఇస్ అ బిగ్గెస్ట్ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్, లాంగెస్ట్ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఫర్ అబౌట్ 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer పొడుగు ఒక స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఉంది. ఆ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ని ఈ ఎండ్ నుంచి ఆ ఎండ్ వరకు ఎవరైతే ఈదుతారో, ఎంతసేపు అయినా తీసుకోండి, టైం లిమిట్ లేదు, ఎవరు ఈదుతారో ఓకే వాళ్ళకి అక్షరాల ₹1 కోటి గిఫ్ట్, ఓకే అని పెట్టి బంపర్ ఆఫర్ అని చెప్పి పెద్ద మొత్తం వరల్డ్ వైడ్ ఉన్న న్యూస్ పేపర్స్, ఆండ్రాయిడ్ మొబైల్స్ అందరికీ మెసేజ్లు పంపిస్తారు. ఓకే, గ్రేట్. అక్కడ జనాలు చూడడం మర్చిపోయింది ఏంటంటే 1 crore కింద చిన్న స్టార్ ఉంది. 1 crore మీద, ఆ క్రోర్ ఈలో లాస్ట్ ఈ మీద చిన్న స్టార్ ఉంది. కెన్ ఎనీవన్ సే వాట్ డస్ ద స్టార్ మీన్? ఓకే, ఫైన్. భరత్, సారీ మనోహర్.
Terms and conditions apply.
Terms and conditions are perfect. So that star, most of the people will miss looking at it. Okay, if you swim from this end to that end, it is 1 kilometer long. Okay, if you swim and there is no time limit, if you swim from this end to that end, it is flat 1 crore rupee you get, but there is a star mark there. Terms and conditions apply. This was unseen by many people. They just, they looked at, they just had a glance. They came down to Malaysia. Okay, whatever it is, I am going to be a crorepati. And there is no limit now. Any person can get 1 crore rupees and they can give you one CR flat. How many ever will participate in the competition and win? Okay, now there is one person who went from Hyderabad, because I am from Hyderabad, I am taking that example. One person who is from Hyderabad, okay, he travels there, but he already has seen that, there is a star mark. Okay, he already looked at it, and now he goes there. The condition, I mean, like before the guy shoots the gun in the air, okay, there, I mean, like that guy tells the, terms and conditions. Just a minute, there are just 30 to 40 crocodiles in the swimming pool. Now, if you swim from this end to that end, you will get 1 crore rupee. Only one person dares, who went from Hyderabad. He jumps into it. He gets to the other end, and he gets up. I mean, like he comes out of the swimming pool. Media is completely in shock, because media is waiting at the other end. Because if someone finishes, they will have to take the interview. This guy finished and went there. And the media person, she went and asked him, sir, how is it possible? There are 30 to 40 crocodiles in it. Okay, and this twist, I'll tell in Telugu. Sorry, Bharat, I'll also tell this in English. Are pakka jaragara bhai, first nannu doshnode evodu ani adiginanta. Okay, so ఈయన జంప్ చేయలేదు, ఎవరో తోసారు. Bharat, so what I said in the last is, this fellow media, the lady asked him, right, how did this happen? Bole to he asked him, he asked her, like, move aside. First, who is that fellow who actually kicked me into this swimming pool? Okay, so ఏంటంటే యాక్చువల్గా we are also pushed by someone here. Okay, either you were born or you already struggled, came from your college or whatever. That 30-40 crocodiles are actually compared to our daily problems. Okay, let us compare this. Now, this is actually a fictitious story. Don't think that there are crocodiles. Now, crocodiles are actually like the daily problems that we face. Some might be bigger, some might be smaller. Anything is a problem end of the day. Okay, now how should our thought process be? We have to be mentally prepared for anything. Believe in one statement, which I believe, I don't make you people believe, but I believe in one statement. Okay, prepare for the worst. Everything you get, is the best. Okay, this is what I believe. I'll prepare for the worst. Everything I get out of it is best. Okay, here you're not degrading yourself, you're making yourself zero first. Okay, so your right frame of thought process must be in this way. I really believed in it, and I am somewhere going in a positive side. Okay, second, do not go around with negative people. Do not go around with negative people, whether out of your family, like if your family is about 4 people, leaving them aside, whether it is your relative, whether it is your friend, best friend since childhood, no, please do not encourage them at all. It is your responsibility first to make yourself positive, and please spread those positive vibes to them. Please do not speak anything negative. ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళే ముందు ఈరోజు వస్తుందో రాదో, అది రాదండి. 100% it will never come to you. Before going to the interview, will I get the job? No, I must get a job. Go check yourself. Come, okay, you did not get the job, don't worry. Now don't put WhatsApp status like, the whole space is dark, my life is gone, I am nowhere in this world. No, then what I have to do? 98 interviews flopped, I have to suicide or what? Please, let's make up our minds. Okay, it's not gone with 1 interview or 100 interviews, but you will be successful one day. हम होंगे कामयाब, I don't know when, but हम होंगे कामयाब. बस एक दिन तो जरूरी है, बराबर है, मगर कब? No answer. We all will be successful, but if you think positive, everything is positive. If you don't like something, be silent. Do not give back answers. If you feel like stressful, again, I am going to give you a tip. Okay, this is the best thing ever. Every time I spread, if you have something to talk or you're angry, you have to put up your anger. Go stand in front of the mirror. Start talking about whatever you wanted to talk to that mirror, because it is the only best thing which shows your face in angry. Okay, it means that you are actually cursing yourself there. And second thing, world's best friend who will never reply you until and unless you kick that mirror and get hurt. Okay, if it is verbal, will it give back answers? No. That's the best friend. We will never look ourselves into mirror. If you can't see your face in mirror for about 5 minutes a day, imagine an interviewer, you're sitting 15 minutes in front of them. How can they see your face? Love yourself. First, love yourself. Please love yourself. Okay, don't go behind someone to love or propose her. No, please love yourself first. If we don't respect ourselves, who will respect us? First, మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ప్రేమించుకోవడం స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. That's the best thought process, right? I love myself. Okay, I love this dress. Why do we wear new shirt or a good shirt? Why do we look into mirror whether the tuck is good or not? It actually defines our personality, right? It's not just a dress, putting buttons and going out. No. Why do we check our dress 100 times when we go for a marriage or attend a function or we go for a job? That's because our mind is telling us, dude, please check before you go to office, function or something like that. Okay, that is called framing or the right thought process. How do you get that? Yes, I told you, be positive. That's the only thing. Be positive. Not the blood group, by the way. Okay, be positive. Now corona positive again, please. Last time there was a joke. So yeah, please be positive on minds, thoughts, everything. You don't spread negativity and don't let others spread negativity. If someone is making that, please put them out of your box until and unless you get your first job, not lifetime. At least before getting the job, please put them aside. Please put those thoughts aside. And guys, you get entertained, but do not distract yourself with that entertainment. Okay, use phone wisely. Okay, I bet, I mean, like I've never seen the recent job seekers who is having a Sudoku game app on their phone, but I've seen PUBG, I've seen Candy Crush and etc. on their phone. Most of the people, 99% of people out of 100 are having PUBG, different game sets. Okay, have it, no problem. But please practice Sudoku. You will learn how to be patient. And your thought process will change. First point. Second, there is an English grammar app on Google which only gives you synonyms. Telugulo aithe pratipada, sorry, nana ardalu antam. Okay, so English, it's synonym. How though practice those synonyms. What is amputate? Amputate means cut. Okay, removing a part, limb or something like that. Okay, amputate is actually second level word. The normal level word is cut. So guys, when you cannot speak the next level English, please do not practice it. Go with the lame, just normal English. That's okay. We don't want big comprehensions, or you practice different bigger words, complicated words. No, simple English, simplest way. Okay, please find the apps which you have. Please find the apps which are useful, which will make your patience grow. And there is an app called Word Build, okay, on Play Store and App Store as well. Take that, you will learn spellings. Out of that jumbled words, jam-packed words, you have to find out 3 words, that's all. Okay, and solve the jumbles. On Deccan Chronicle, you get the jumbles every day. Okay, this is the right frame. And guys, this game is not only giving you knowledge, or it's not only making you smart, it's also giving you a lot of patience. Patience is the god. Patience is the god of your strength. Out of all the strengths you have, patience is the god. If you have patience, you can achieve anything. Just a matter of patience. 10th class result आया, 85 marks नहीं आए, खत्म, hang, suicide, खत्म, हो गया. Why? Intermediate marks came, you expected 92%, but you got only 90%. For 2%, you will kill yourself. Next time, try get 20 marks again. You did the mistake, right? You did not write well. You already accepted, your mind knows that you did not write that question, well, that exam well. It's our mistake, right? Why will we kill ourselves? Again, try, no? That's the major problem, guys. If you are failing, please thank the failure. If someone is talking negative about you, please thank them after you become successful. Go to that, I've told an uncle, he doesn't know that I had this point on my mind. Oh, he just left that word, okay, to me, that I am useless. I went to that uncle and told, uncle, thank you very much. You were one who kept on motivating me all these days. Every time I see your face, I get, I remember that word you've used. Thank you very much for that. That's why I got a job today. Please thank them, guys. Don't leave them like that. That's your attitude now. Don't speak to negative people. Instead, make them feel positive. Make them comfortable. Everywhere you can search positivity, guys. Apart from 3 places: hospital, police station, court. These are the 3 places where you will never find positivity. So we will eliminate them. Let us not do some crime or something like that. Hospital we can't avoid. That again depends. But police station, court, yes, it's in our hands. Okay. So guys, apart from those 3 places, everything is positive here. Nothing is negative. Okay. So let's make up our minds. Last 10 minutes, let me talk about interview skills. Interview skills, one of the easiest part, but I struggled because I don't have smart answers. Okay. I'll tell you a small question which was asked by me because I applied as a fresher to a company recently to check what questions are they asking. I felt very pity for the new joiners now, the fresh batch 2020-21 batches, because he asked me a question. I dropped a boiled egg from 10th floor to the ground floor. It touched the ground floor, but it did not break. How? Is this the question that you have to ask a fresher? Okay, you asked. I already betterly have an answer. I told him it might be a rubber ball which is actually looking like an egg, like a boiled egg. So that's the reason it did not break. Okay. And there are such crazy questions that they are asking in market now, where we are not trained. We might not be being trained in a college. CRT program, yes, they give you communication skills and they also train you on few interview tips about how to clear HR questions like why should we hire you down the lane 5 years, where do you want to see yourself? These are all regular, 100% true. This we have to learn. But now companies are expecting a lot. Companies are expecting a lot. Their expectation has gone up. Okay. For a normal company which is paying 10,000, 12,000 bucks per month, sitting at home or coming to office, is also expecting a lot from the student. Now this, none of us can help. Okay. I wish now, Manish has actually taken an initiative to get through the colleges, call the management, and first, listen to the demo about how to think, how to communicate, how to go for an interview, prepare and go for an interview. Okay. And thank you very much for the initiative, by the way. And how to go for an interview. Most of the people wear dark colored clothes on the top. No. Top must be with a light color and bottom, no one sees you. Shoes neatly polished. Everyone will observe your shoes. Okay. That's the first point. Second, how to sit. If they ask you to sit, they wantedly will put chair close to the table. Means you have to pull the chair and sit. Now don't, push like, no, please don't make that sound noise. No. If it is a wheel, if that chair has wheels, that's okay. But still, pull it politely with both the hands, guys, not with one hand. If you have that file, put it on the chair, no? Most of the people fail to think. Put it on the chair and pull the chair very politely. And do not lean back, sit straight. Don't take the support of the back part. Please sit straight and at the almost the end of the chair. And put your hands stiff straight on the table if okay, or on the hands which you have all the handles already you have for the chair. Okay, do not play with your hands, or at that point of time do not play with your fingers. Okay, do not knuckle them at that point of time. Please put them at two different places. And guys, when you go for an interview, your body language must speak more than you speak. If it is 40% the communication you have, 60% your body must speak. If you be like a statue and feel like a robot, only your face is moving. No, that is not called an interview. That is never called an interview. Could you please be on mute, everyone? Avinash Aparna, please. Okay. So sitting position is also important. And if the people who are taking interview are more than 3 people who are sitting in front of you, suppose a manager of that, that process, HR manager, operations manager, suppose 3 are sitting in front of you. Okay. You have, if one is asking you a question, don't look at that person only. Please address everyone with your looks. It means that you're speaking to everyone. You're addressing the chair, room there. Addressing those people as well who did not ask the answer as well. Don't only speak to one person now. Okay, that's again most important. Now, they'll start asking you questions. I see many people, what they do. Suppose they asked you like, tell me something about yourself. Likewise, they asked you to introduce about yourself. First thing what you will do is, thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. Meanwhile, you will think about what to speak because we did not prepare. Okay. Please do not thank the HR, thank the recruiter without starting off with what you are going to tell. Please tell about your introduction first. Where are you born and brought up? What is your, curriculum, college curriculum? What are your studies? Okay, BSc ho gaya, 10, next tell about intermediate, next 10, next hobbies, next family. Or you can flip the order anywhere. Okay, but please do not thank the HR first. Thank them last after completing your personal introduction. Okay, after completing your personal introduction. And next, okay, next comes jam. Okay, this is like something students feel like, this is very, very difficult to crack this round, but this is one of the easiest round you could do. How you can frame the bullet points on your mind and talk about one point immediately. But how does this come? If you at least know about the topic. Okay, nowadays, Corona is the most of the companies are covering only that topic before and after COVID lockdown. How was your life? That is common topic nowadays. Social media, yes. When you have few, latest topics now about that small girl, 6 years old girl, kid, okay, they might ask you about that incident. And guys, most of the people, what I see is they have lot of things on their mind. Suppose if they ask about that innocent 6-year-old kid, okay, you will become emotional. Don't become emotional, guys. That is just an interview. That is just an interview. Now, don't feel like you're killing the HR now. Don't change your face. Put it like that. But you have to speak a bit louder because this topic is something negative. Okay. Now, don't make the HR feel like you will kill her the next moment if you're giving this topic. They shouldn't feel insecure now or frightened, scared. Okay. If such sensitive topics are given like Pulwama attack or the 6-year-old kid which happened or Nirbhaya or Disha, okay, these are all sensitive which happened. And that military person, the army person who was killed in the China border, if such topics, sensitive topics are coming up, please speak either low or a bit louder than you speak. But do not start your conversation with a negative move. If suppose they're asking about the China border, that China people killed our army person, talk like, I love India, I love Indian Army. This is the positive statement you made. But I really, my heart felt, that way you have to start your conversation. First thing, whichever comes from your mouth must be positive. That must be positive statement only. Then take it negative. I know this is sensitive topic, all negativity only. Nothing is positive here. Okay, then take it towards negative and that must be justified someday. Okay, this is your conclusion. Okay, first thing is speak about what is that, when did it happen, if you know actually what was the date on which this happened. Okay, talk about how many army people were there in the border, how are they cruelly killed, and then come for a conclusion. This is all about this topic. Not only this topic, any topic is like that. If they're asking you about cricket, many people I see that they speak about, this is called square leg, this is called fine leg, this is called short leg. No, compare that cricket to your professional life now. What did cricket teach you? It taught me how to focus on the game, didn't it? Didn't it teach us? It taught us indirectly. It taught us how to plan. Now, which bowler to give the ball if you're a captain? Or which batsman to send next after one batsman got out? This is called strategy, right? This is called planning, right? Let's speak that way. This is something smart that you think. Don't speak about cricket. If you speak about cricket, they might ask you, who is your favorite player? Now, again, you're putting yourself into problems. Already you're into problems. Interview is the biggest problem. Okay, now don't start putting yourself into problem. Okay, suppose while talking, by mistake you told that, my favorite batsman is Sehwag. Khatam, gaya. When was he born? Where was he born? Why did you like? Which performance did you like? Okay, right from 2003 World Cup till the time he was retired, he will ask you all the history because there are chances that that person might also be a fan of Shewak. He knows more than you, then you're gone case. Please do not put yourself into problems. Jam session is putting yourself into problems if you're not speaking well. Okay. And I also see people, one biggest question, okay, who is your role model? They say, like, I've seen many people telling about Sonu Sood nowadays, and previously it was APJ Abdul Kalam sir. No, guys. See, world knows who they are. I respect your feelings. For interview sake, please take them out of your mind for some time. Talk about your father, because that HR don't know anything about your father. He cannot ask you a reverse question. All we need is job now. All we need is job, right? We want an offer letter, right? Let's speak about our father, mother, or anyone from your family or your colony president. Anyone can be our role model, right? Speak about them. Can HR ask a back question to you? Can he or she really ask you a question back? No. You will be in to the third round. That's the way smart you have to think about. How can I, escape from all these problems? Yeah, you have to be smart, guys. You have to be smart. And HR questions, the most problematic, tricky questions about 5 years down the line. Where do you want to see yourself? My inner feeling says, "Arey bhai, 5 years, I don't think I'll be with your company. Why will I be with your company? I might go do a business. I might, I might I'll apply for a lottery. I might get 1 CR. Or I might do many things in down the line 5 years. Why should I answer your question?" This is our actual mindset. But we have to be very, very smart and good at acting there. No, it is an acting school is what I generally name it, an interview, because we are not there. We are practicing about how to get a job. That's all. Everyone acts well, guys. Even HR is acting. We are also acting. Okay, that's always there. Okay, but you be a good actor, you will get the offer letter. That's all. I've learned from 98 interviews. That's more than enough for my life now. Okay, how should we do that? Okay, everyone expects something innovative answer or a smart answer in your last and final round. If HR is asking you, why should we hire you? Everyone will say, "Sir, I am a hardworking guy. Sir, I struggled a lot to come here. My parents are, their dream is me getting a job, buying a car, buying a house, settling down. Okay, and I wanted to, take my parents for a ride on my car. It might be 1 CR car or 10 CR car, whichever it might be." Guys, I know we all watched old movies. Okay, let's leave movies aside. I asked you to act, don't tell stories there. I know it is really on your mind. Okay, let's become professional there. Don't share your personal things. Do not take your personal topics there when it is an interview. You can be emotional, but at a right emotion. Don't put your face very sad or, like doubtful. Don't express anything. Keep smiling. That's all. If they ask a weird question, still smile. No problem. If they think your mindset is not good, no problem. You keep smiling. Don't laugh. Smile. Just wear a smile on your face. Okay. And if they are asking questions like, why should we hire you? Tell them the qualities you have. Don't tell your family history. My Pedananna, my big father, he brought some Aston Martin. Now I have to buy BMW, the topmost model in India. No, that's okay. That's your dream. Okay, still it will be there with you. It's always your dream, right? It doesn't go from your brain. Now here, talk about you, guys. You are going for a job interview here. You have to talk about you. That is where it is called interview. It is your internal view that you have to share. Don't talk about your father, mother, car, your dreams, building a house. Okay, that's okay. What you have to talk, explain about what is your strength first. I am a very, very positive thinking guy. I always think positive and I am self-confident. Okay, later tell about what are your short-term and long-term goals. And later, tell them, how will you be resourceful for the company? Now, how will your skills work out for the company? Khatam ho gaya. This, why should we hire you question? I don't know why most of the people feel very, very frightened. No, it's very simple, guys. It's just 3 parts. Make it 3 parts, no? If you break the answer, easy to learn. There is a big paragraph. Okay, if you break, we all learned, right? Every full stop is a point. That's all. Make them bullet points. Now read. It's easy. Same like we eat rice, right? We put this much quantity, at least 100 grams of rice. We eat slowly, right? Same. It will get digested. You will get the strength. You will get the energy. The same way, let's practice the study. It's the same, right? It's nothing. It's not a rocket science. Why should we hire you? What is your strength? Tell them 2 strengths of yours. What are your short-term, long-term goals? Tell them about that. Last, what will you do for the company? Khatam, ho gaya. And if you are a fresher, I see most of the freshers telling that I am a hard-working person. I'm a smart working person. First, you did not start working professionally. And people give me examples, sir. I worked very hard, sir, to study for my final exam, sir. I've written final exams, sir. Very struggled, sir. You know, I struggled a lot, sir. But you paid fees. When you paid fees, you know that it is going to be tough. So you are mentally prepared. Now don't come and tell that you already done hard work. No. Okay. Don't tell that you have taken cheats to exam. That is your smart work. Please. Let's keep them aside. Okay. When you did not professionally start working, where is this hard work or smart work concept coming from? No, you are just a good worker. That's all. You don't know whether you can work hard or smart. Once you go into the company, it is a different scenario. Ask the experienced people. They have faced all the struggles. Now, if you have 1 year experience, at least you can tell whether you are a smart or a hard worker because you already know about yourself now. Please don't take a topic called hard work and smart work when you are a fresher. Please. Okay. And tell them about your strengths. When they ask about why should we hire you, tell them about your strengths, 2 strengths at least, your short-term goal, long-term goal. How will you be resourceful for the company? Khatam ho gaya answer. Same answer, I can turn it off for 7 or 8 questions. Give me any question. Why should we hire you? Down the line 5 years? Yes, I say the same answer. I say the same answer, but in a different way. Put the things in different way. Okay, answer నేర్చుకొని 10 విధాలుగా తిప్పొచ్చు. Learn one answer and you can turn them for 10, improvise them into 10 types now. And you can write the answer there. That's very, very easy, smart work to do. In the whole interview process, the easiest part is to clear the HR round. Okay, toughest, as per the fresher job seekers, is jam session. But I say toughest is to introduce about yourself. That's the start off. Okay, that's you now. First impression is always the best impression. Okay, everyone believes this. So first is your personal introduction as per the actual flow. So if you give your first round good, you will get the impression already. So second round, you might be lucky enough to get an easy topic. Okay, so guys, I wanted to address in total that, interview skills, communication skills, everything is given training by me. I am here. It is like, we all have 3 months program here with different courses. We have, HEIST placements and also digital academy. We have 2 different types, as Yogeshwari rightly put. She already has given the introduction about it. So here we train you, but all we expect from you is please practice. That's there. If you practice, we will give you right guidance with different courses, whichever you opt. But all we need from you is practice. And especially if someone is giving you a task to complete, please don't be, lazy enough to finish off that task. Please finish off those tasks. It is not given for fun. It is given for, your development, your improvement. If you don't want that, it's your wish. Okay. If you want, come on, we are here. We will join hands with you. 110%. We will check why don't you get a job in the dream company, whichever you are dreaming about. Let's check ourselves. 100%. Let's take a challenge. All the job seekers, get a chart from outside, which is 5 or 10 rupees. Write in bigger words that I will get a job in dash days. How many days you fill it there? Put it, stick it to your wall. You open your eyes, you have to see that chart. It must be that visible. Write it in bigger words. Stick that to the wall. I bet you will get a job, 100%. Sticking on the, not for sticking on the wall, it will give you confidence indirectly. Okay, so to finally conclude, guys, it's already been, I guess I'm making you people bore, because I will be next the course for 30 days or 45 days or 90 days. I am the borest person. You will see me, or you will tend to listen to me. So let me stop it here, and thank you very much everyone for having patience and listening to me, because I am like I can't control myself, and I start off with a topic. So let me cut off here, and rest we will discuss when the course actually starts. Sorry, please be on mute. Please be on. Yeah, sorry guys. So let's start off, and we also I would kindly request everyone that please refer as many as people you can. This is gonna be an interesting topic, and I will make it more and more interesting for you people, so that it will not sound as if you're learning something. It will sound as if you will be interested. When will the clock hit 2 or 3 if the class timing is that? Okay, like the same. So please come on, guys, and please, we request you to refer as many as people you can, because it is an interesting program for them. So now I will hand over this to Mr. Manish. Thank you very much, Manish. Yogeshwari, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Surya Subramaniam, for your valuable time. And guys, see, this is a very valuable information apart from our education system. Okay, apart from our book knowledge, this is a practical knowledge where we require. So here, Mr. Surya Subramaniam will teach you for next 45 days to 90 days, depends upon the batches, regarding the interview skills, communication skills, and personality development, resume building, how to build the resume and all the stuff. It may be for fresher to experience, he can give you. And he is the person, he worked for more than 20 plus top companies in India in different places. I'm seeing him from last more than 15 years. Okay, so in Hives, I'm seeing him from last 2015, 6 years. So it's happy to journey with him. Even I want to share his good knowledge and experience with your team. Okay, so now friends, how was the class? How was the demo? And meanwhile, Subbu, can you please display the course content?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah. So guys, how was the meeting? How was the class?
It was really great. So yes, sir, actually, I love the best part, like love yourself and be positive. It's a very good line, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
Can I hear from your voice, Vinod, Vasavi, Vaishnavi, Srikanth? How was the meeting? How was the demo?
It's actually good, sir. And we learned a lot of interview skills, how to attend the interview, and what are the tips to attend the interview. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, ma.
And we are also getting messages here. Mr. Bharat, Kaveri, Akshay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So done. So Yogeshwari,
Yes,
No, I have to
Manish.
share
Yeah,
the screen.
request you to explain the complete process, all domains, charges, everything. Okay. If they have any doubts regarding anything, you can explain them. If there is anything, I'll be there. Go ahead.
sure, Manish.
Manish, you asked me to display the course details, right?
Yeah. First you display the course, then we can go ahead.
Okay, someone is already sharing the screen.
This is like a thing.
Okay. Yogeshwari, could you please make me host for some time? I'll make you the host again.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Host makes, yeah.
Yeah, fine.
Yep.
Thanks.
You're done.
So it's like basically this one. So this is the content actually. So content for the communication skills and content for interview skills. And people who are looking at the screen can actually take a screenshot of it.
Yeah. 1 second, be on the line. Let
Yeah.
them take a screenshot.
Please take the screenshot for communication skills. Then I will move the screen to interview
Actually, we will
skills.
send you through after registration, whoever going to register through User Pay and our Highs Digital Academy. Once the registration is done, you will get the information, or else you can talk to our counselors. There is in a clear their contact numbers. They will share you on a mail or WhatsApp, guys. Yeah, just make it a slide, Surya.
Yeah. So this is for interview skills. Just a moment, guys. Yeah, this is for interview skills. Okay, hope everyone has taken the screenshot. Yeah. So thank you very much, Manish, for the opportunity. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, Yogeshwari, you can go ahead.
Yes, Manish.
Yeah, hope
Yeah.
kindly display the pic, academy pic.
So everyone, this is our demo session on interview skills and communication skills. So we are here for the training and placement program, which is for 3 months, and it is for like Manish. Can you just unmute yourself, please? Thank you so much. So this is a training and placement program for 3 months, and it is only for 300 rupees. We are providing training plus job assistance under this 300 rupees. So in this 3 months, we train on IT domains like data science based on Python, PHP plus Android, AngularJS and Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing. Under testing, you have both automation as well as Selenium, WordPress and digital marketing, spoken English, MS Office and MS Excel, interview skills and communication skills, which are common for all the technologies. So under this training session, we have 2 hours per day. Like we have 2 batches, morning and evening batch. Each batch will have 2 hours session. So in those 2 hours, 1.5 hours will be on technologies, and the other half an hour will go for communication skills. So for whatever technology you choose, communication skills will be common for everyone. So these sessions are are completely online. You have to register online, and as well as the sessions are also through online. And the eligibility criteria, if you just check, it is for 2020 and 21 pass outs, and you have to have certain percentages, and it is for all in BTech. For coming to degree, it is for BCom computers, BSc computers, and MSc computers. So you can just share this information with all your friends so that everyone can avail this program. And after completion of the training, you will be getting a certification also, where it will be specified that you have worked on the live coding sessions, because this would be helpful when you go for the interviews in different MNC companies. And apart from this, in the job assistance part, you will be placed in, like, you will be taking to a MNC company interviews, where we are tagged to 150 plus MNC companies. These companies are like, they offer 3 to 8 lakh per annum package. So we assist you to go through the interviews and how to get placed and all. During this interview skills, you'll be learning it. So this is how Highs will be helping you for this complete program. Just avail yourself, see that you learn each and every second of this program, because it is very important. We are trying to show you a path how to just go into the career. It is your responsibility to practice on things and learn the things, so that you explore yourself and be in a better position in your career. All the best, guys, and thank you for attending this program. Manish, do you want to say anything? You want to...
Yeah. So guys, see, from September 16th, we have started the demos. Till September 28th, the demos will be going on different domains every day. I hope everyone know on which in the chat box we have posted regarding the classes. Once again, we'll do that. Every day we have an individual sections, guys. You can check it out, days, everything. If you have any queries, contact our team. They will guide you. And after registration or before registration, if you have any doubts, you can ask our team. And kindly share this message and a pic to your friends who are really interested to learn some IT knowledge, IT courses and interview skills. It is very valuable for everyone. Okay. And here you people know that we are there in industry from last 6 years. We have associated with top companies. Now today only we have launched a new job description. We are hiring for top MNC company where for freshers the company is paying 12 lakhs 50,000, Hyderabad location, 2021 passed outs. Okay, so every day we are getting one good top company. It's an IT company. Nowadays we are majorly focused on IT companies for freshers and experience. So use this best opportunity to get knowledge for 3 months. Register here. We have in it 2 batches, morning and evening batches. Once after registration, we'll send you the timings things also. Majorly from morning 6 to 10, it will be the morning batches, and evening 6 to 10 will be the evening batches. Okay, so it will be comfortable for the student, it will be comfortable for the homemade, and it will be comfortable for a working employees also. So these three categories can get a knowledge. As you people know, it's in a top domains where we are providing training on data science, PHP plus Android, AngularJS, Node.js, Salesforce, and AWS, Java, testing, WordPress, spoken interview skills and communication skills. So guys, refer your friends, and even you can join this. This is in a best opportunity. Hope you all seeing from many days. Okay, so I wish everyone all the best. Take care. If you have any doubts, you can ask us right now. Supriya, host, close the recording. Stop the recording.
Guys, if you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the chat box too, so that we can reply on it. What if we
Okay.
don't understand the demo and we don't want to learn anymore? Will there be a refund?
No, once paid amount is not refundable. See here, coming to the amount, whatever we are going to charge the 300 rupees, it is in a worthable subject where we are going to give you through live trainers for next 3 months.
Apart from the training part, you are also getting this certification, which is
Job
a
assistance.
valuable one. Yeah, job assistance too. You'll be given a lead to different MNC companies where you'll be attending the interviews of them, and you can just select the company whichever you like and then get placed into that company. Yes, Manohar, it is completely online. The process, the training part is completely online. Kaveri, MSc Physics, actually it is not eligible because you don't have the basement of C or C++ to understand these further topics.
And I would say if you're generally interested to, enroll for this program for communication and interview skills, it will be helpful. I mean, like you can search for, the opportunities apart from what we provide.
Yes, thank you, Surya, for adding it. Yes, Kaveri, you can have the topics like digital marketing or WordPress or MS Office, MS Excel, spoken English, interview skills, and communication skills. These can be availed from your end, apart from the technical domains. And Manohar, if you miss the class, it would be like it's a 2 hours class, so try not missing it because it's very worth. And if you just miss the class,